Hi everyone, this tutorial is going to go over the CCF resources and sponsors and a couple other things. So to get started, let's go ahead and click on the sponsor tab over here on the left-hand side. This is going to go through all of the different sponsors that helped to make this annual conference possible. We are so grateful for their continued support and invite you to read more about each of the sponsors. To do that, you can go ahead and click on the different sponsors. It tells a little bit about them and then has their booth representative who you can email if you have any questions about them. And then it also includes their website that you can click on for more information. So you can go back here and scroll through all the different ones. Like I said, you can click on each one to learn a little bit more about them. And similar to the agenda, you can also favorite or heart specific ones if they're something that you want to go back to, or maybe you want to reach out to them later. So if that's something of interest to you, you can just go ahead and click on that little heart. And then to search for the ones or look for the ones that you have favorited, you can go ahead and click on this favorites tab and it'll show you the ones that you've hearted. The next thing that I wanted to go through here is the CCF resources tab. This is a bunch of different resources that the foundation offers. So pretty simple and explanatory here, but you can click on each picture and this is going to take you to the link to this resource. So if this is something that you're wanting to go to, you'll just go ahead and click the OK page. As you can see, it will open a new tab and show you that resources. So there's a lot of great resources and education materials here that we invite you to take a look at. Next, I want to go over the CCF Lounge here. This is going to be kind of a general chat for everyone that is at the annual conference. So if there's questions that you have, or you want to give thanks to a speaker, or ask a question about a presentation, or any other questions that you might have, you can go ahead and add them here. This is also a great place to put testimonials or what you're enjoying about the conference. So you can type whatever you want here and hit submit, and we will have some staff and help on the back end being able to respond to the chat in real time. Next, I wanted to go over the speakers tab here. This is a list of all of the speakers that will be speaking at the annual conference with their information. So if you listen to a presentation and want to reach out to that speaker or have a further question about their discussion, you can go ahead and click on the speaker to learn a little bit more about them. You can click on the different sessions they have and learn a little bit more about them. Next, I wanted to go over the posters. We do have two different types of posters, patient focused and scientific. So you can go ahead and click on the patient focused one. We'll go over that first. These are all the different posters, so you can go ahead and click on each individual poster and learn a little bit about their poster abstract, which will just tell you a little more information about the poster. And then to view it, you'll just click view poster, and again, this is going to take you to another tab because it's an external link, and you can go through and look at the poster. You can zoom in. I know they show up a little small, so feel free to zoom in and scroll around and take a look at that. Some of them will have QR codes where you can pull your phone out and hover your camera over there, and it'll take you to a site with more information. Same thing for the scientific posters, very similar. You can scroll through the different posters. If there's one that you want to learn more information about, you can click on it. It'll show you the poster abstract, and then you can also click on view the poster. Again, if you want to view it, you'll just hit the OK. It'll open a new tab. You can view the poster, and again, you can zoom in. I do want to make note too that if there's someone that you're wanting to reach out for more information, emails and information will be included at the top.